Marcus Thompson knew struggle. He grew up in a tough neighborhood. Opportunities were scarce, money was tight. But Marcus had a dream. He wanted a better life. He believed in himself, even when few others did. School was his escape. He excelled in his classes. Marcus knew education was the key. It was his way out. I knew I had to work harder than everyone else, Marcus recalls. I couldn't afford to give up. Graduation came with a mix of hope and uncertainty. College seemed out of reach. Marcus needed to work. He took a job at a local factory. The work was monotonous. The days were long. His dream felt distant. But Marcus didn't despair. He knew this was just a stepping stone. I refused to let this be my story, he shares. I knew I was meant for more. One evening, everything changed. Marcus overheard a conversation. Two businessmen were discussing tech startups. They talked about innovation and investments. They spoke of taking risks and reaping rewards. Their words ignited a fire in Marcus. He saw a path forward. Technology was booming. It offered opportunity. It was like a light bulb went off, Marcus remembers. I knew I had to learn everything I could about this world. Marcus started reading. He went online, devouring information about startups. He learned about coding and investing. He knew the risks. But he also saw the potential. He started small. He saved every penny he could. Marcus made his first investment, a modest sum in a promising tech startup. He continued working at the factory. He balanced his job with his newfound passion. He was determined to make his dreams a reality.